Do I have
Okay.
to pull up? Oh, I did. Okay.
Ooh, ooh, ching, ching. Why does it want me to pay? I don't want to buy anything. Well, I do, but not this. What the heck?
I kind of want to explore, but I think I'm gonna get lost if I do.
Ooh, ooh,
What is this? Oh.
Okay, I'm just gonna delete this, cause what the heck? It wants me to buy a membership. I'm not doing that. Okay, anyway, it's fine.
You ready?
Let's go eat Spooky.
Okay.
So, what's this? I think I'm too tall to fit. Wait, you try.
Nope.
You're tall.
Wait.
What if we run at it and slide?
Hold on. What is that?
Ah!
Oh no!
There's a monster chasing me! He got me! Oh, hi, Pookie.
Why did I run over
That
here?
scared me.
Why did I run over here?
Okay, why is the screen shaking like that whenever I try to move my camera?
I'm scared.
Ooh, ooh, That monster's not really scary.
It scared me.
It just looks funny.
It scared me though.
It's stuck on the ladder.
There's an arrow.
In this game, I think the arrows don't matter because I tried following them and they just lead to nowhere.
Oh. Well.
Hey, in the box. My nose is running so much. Hey,
Well,
is your nose running? You should probably go catch it.
I'm gonna make that joke.
I love dad jokes. What was that? Who knocked? Stop knocking.
I did.
Knock,
No.
Oh, it's tall in here.
Knock knock.
It's big. Knock knock. Who's there? The door.
The door. Where?
The exit door.
I don't like this.
You don't like the game?
No, this. This. Specifically this.
Oh. What's wrong with it? Why don't you like it?
I don't like
Decoration.
it.
Why? They look like booths from those like Rate My Avatar games.
They do, but I don't like it. Okay, let's go.
Goodbye, booth.
There's another arrow.
Look, there's more booths, Pookie.
No.
Ooh, ooh, chang, chang, wah, wah, bing, bang.
Another arrow. Is it just taking us in a circle?
Yeah, I don't think the arrows really mean anything in this game.
Well,
because they just point everywhere.
Then where do we go?
I don't know. They just explore. There's a bucket.
Where?
Right here.
Go?
Pookie.
Where?
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
No, Pookie.
No.
Pookie.
Where'd you go? No.
Pookie's missing.
Oh my god. That thief! Help. Nope. No.
I'm by a gate door with the bucket.
Nope.
A bucket and a chair.
Ooh, wait. The lights over here are blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Well, the lights for me just turned off.
What?
Oh, I found the blue that you're talking about. There's air
Oh
conditioning
my
on the
god!
wall.
That thing is back.
There's
Nope, nope,
ice.
nope.
Pookie, I see you. You're being chased, Pookie, and now I'm being chased. Pookie, where are you? I just seen you.
I ran away.
Huh.
Running away.
I ran into a wall. The door. Pookie, are you still in the blue?
Yes, am I still being chased?
Oh my gosh, it killed me.
Oh,
Oh, Pookie, I spawned inside of you for a second.
you did?
Yes.
Ooh, I found another thing. Ooh.
These goofy monsters are tickling my toes, and I don't like it.
What's this? I have been wondering, or I have been wandering these rooms for a while now, hearing nothing but the sound of buzzing lights.
Well, now I'm in a place
I have gone so
with
far to the
red
place
flooring and a
where.
bunch of boxes.
Hey, are you listening? I'm reading a note that I found. I have been wandering these
You
rooms for
found a
a
note?
while. Yeah, I'm reading it. I have been wandering these rooms for a while now, hearing nothing but the sound of buzzing lights. I have gone so far to the point where someone started remodeling it. Uh, I don't know who is behind this place or what. All I know is if I want to escape, I need to pick. This is not.
It says chasing me.
That's where the note ends.
Yeah,
And
I found a few notes too. Stairs. But I can't go to the stairs because the door's blocked by a gate.
I saw the thing and then it like disappeared.
No. Stop chasing me.
Oh, I found you. Hi. Oh,
Oh, stairs. Little stairs. What the heck?
wait. Hold up.
Well, I found a place where it says closed road. There's closed road signs on the ceiling, and chairs on the ceiling, and a
I
ladder on the ceiling.
I found like
There's
a
stuff
little.
on the ceiling.
I found like a little door thing, but it says
Oh
every.
no, there's a downstairs.
I found a door thing, but it says like everything is fake. Hello? Did you die? Is he? Hello? Um. Okay. Hello? Oh. Shit, I about ran into it. And I'm gonna get myself killed. Oh. Call disconnected. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm lost. I'm so lost here. And I'm probably gonna die. Nope. Hello? Cookie? Hello? Okay.
Bro, I keep dying. Pookie?
I almost ran into that thing. I don't know where I am. I keep going in circles. I'm lost.
I found you, but then I lost you again. Everything is fake.
Oh, I saw.
I found red text that says everything is fake.
I know, I saw
My life
earlier. I saw that.
is a lie.
I tried to go through it.
Ooh, this is creepy. What?
Yeah, I tried to go through that thing earlier because I was curious.
Oh, you found it too?
Earlier, yeah.
No, there's like a picture of the sky or something.
I think I've already been over here. I'm lost. I'm so lost.
What the heck?
Is there
I found a car.
a car?
I found a car.
Is there like an exit?
I found a car.
Is there an exit we're supposed to find or something? Or do we just like walk around and like avoid getting killed? Oh, I'm back at that note that I found earlier. And I'm lost. Oh, and called again. I've already been over here. Oops. I don't know if there's like an exit I'm supposed to be looking for. Oh, what? Oh, hello? Okay, that was... Hello? Hello? I swear I've already been over here. Oh my gosh. Nope. Run, 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 run. Oh, that took me in a circle, okay. Swear I've already been upstairs. Oh. Oh, I did not like that sound.